Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, step by step, we are going to learn how we can add a related list to the page layout in Salesforce. So if you want to show related records like contacts under accounts, customize what user can see on record pages, improve user experience in Salesforce, so then this video is perfect for you. Without wasting your time, let's get started. So first we need to understand what is related list in Salesforce. So a related list shows records which are connected to a parent record. For example, so this is my account object. In this account object, I have so many records. In these records are relatively related to these opportunities, receipts, cases, partners, invoice, and other things. That is we call it as related records. So means a contact related to account, opportunity related to account, activity related to a lead. That is we call it a related list. So it helps the user to quickly view and merge the related data without navigating away. So then how we can add? So first we need one requirement. So our requirement is currently I have a account records. For this account record, I need to add contact as related list. So how we can add? First we need to click on gear icon, go to edit objects. In object manager account, go to page layouts. Click on account layout. So in here, you can see this window. In this window, you need to select like related list. So if you select related list, you can see so many options like approval history, assets location, like that. We have so many things. I need to add only the contact as related list. So for that's why I just click on contacts. I just drag it into this related list. Once you drag, just click on save. Again, click on yes. You can also add other things also. For example, I will add like files. At the end, I add files. So after that, I just click on again quick save once. Again, go back to your account object. Just hard refresh once. Go back to your related list. So you can see contacts. So for this particular account, we have a 6 plus contacts. Without opening account object, I can directly click on related list. Click on view one. I can see all the contact which is related to that particular account, that is Basuraj, which is like that. So this is how related list works, and we can add that related list into the particular record. Other things also we can do. Just go back to your page layout again. So it's just a drag and drop thing. If you need any order, you can just drag and drop anywhere you want like that. So it will works based on your order. So in related list, you need to show some columns like cases, contact name, subject, primary, status, owner, like this. Click on properties. It will show all the fields. You can select whichever you need to display in the front end. So this is how the things are working. You may face some difficulties when if the objects are not related, we are not able to add that particular objects in that in related list. And also it will fully based on the permissions to view. So this is the thing we need to remember before adding any kind of related list into the particular objects. So this is for today tutorial. Now you know how to add related list to and particular objects, customize them. So I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.